Okay, now do it. We're gonna make a volcano. Pour it in there. Oh, boom! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! You did it, buddy. It went boom.
Do it again.
Cool. Good job.
I want to do another volcano.
You do? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. We got some food coloring.
Food color?
Yeah, and some baking soda, some vinegar. Do we have enough soda in there to do it again? Okay, pour some more in there, buddy. Kaboom! Ooh.
Another volcano.
We might be able to do it one more time.
I want to do it
A
a lot of times.
lot
I
of
think
times.
this is the last time we're going to be able to make that one go.
How many times do you
Food
want?
coloring? What's food coloring?
Well, what does it sound like to you? What do you think food coloring does?
They use food coloring.
Am I food coloring?
Yeah.
I guess if I get inside the food, then I would color it somehow, huh?
They what? Food coloring. Daddy, what? Mommy, what? Food coloring.
Well, it's these little drops, see? You can put these in your food.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
And then they make it a color. Okay, go for
Make
it.
a volcano. Kaboom! Blowy! Whoa! Nice job, buddy.
That was awesome.
Whoa.
Awesome.
Cool, buddy. Did you like that?
Another one.
Whoa. Okay. Fill up your cup with vinegar and dump it in there. Dump it in the volcano. Kabooey! Whoa! That's all, buddy. We're out of vinegar.
We're out of vinegar?
Out of our allotment for vinegar today.
Why? What a tiny piece. And can we put it out?
No, don't touch it.
Why?
It's all icky, gooey vinegar.
Why?